Good morning, everyone. Andrew Chubb here from Awalé Resources. That's with the ticker ARIC on the TSX-V. I'm coming to you from site today. I'm down on site with the team. I do try and get down here at least once a quarter for at least a week, and this is where I am right now. I'm actually here for a bit over a week this time around. So it's really exciting times for us with this news release today, which is a new discovery on our 100% ground, and also with our mineral resource estimates due to be coming to market very shortly. So it is really exciting times for us. But today it's about 100% Awale ground and what we're happy to call that now a new discovery at Fremen. It's taken 3 phases of drilling to get there, and we're there now. We've hit significant mineralization on 2 drill sections with close to 20 meters at 2 grams. So we're seeing some significant widths, and within that some higher grades of over 5 grams per ton. So really exciting stuff for us. And so without further ado, let's move on with the rest of the news release. The usual forward-looking statements. Okay, so Awale, we're in the northwest of Côte d'Ivoire. This is our permit package, and the large red dot here is our Fremen target in our 100% ground. So we've got just under 2,500 square kilometers of exploration tenure, and the Fremen discovery lies within the Cienso permit in our 100% owned ground. So this is just zooming in on that target area. This is our Fremen discovery down here on the bottom right-hand side of that map, or the southeastern side, and it's 11 kilometers on strike from our BBM discovery, which we're soon to have a mineral resource estimate on in a few weeks' time. So this makes it really interesting stuff for us, because although we are always looking for standalone discoveries, being in close proximity to other discoveries makes it easier to make these things more exciting as well. So anyway, so we're 11 kilometers on strike from BBM. The key takeaways from this is that we're in the same mineralizing system as BBM Charger and our other discoveries. The alteration assemblages are the same or similar. We get biotite actinolite, which is what we see. We see a lot of biotite alteration and silica alteration at BBM with lesser actinolite, but it's there. And we see that actinolite alteration with biotite at Charger as well, and at Empire and our other discoveries. The sulfide assemblage is similar. We've always said that we're on a continuum where we get higher copper gold ratios or higher gold copper ratios. Fremen appears to be on the higher gold to copper ratio. So there is still copper in the system, but gold is the dominant mineral that we're seeing within the mineralization, with much lesser sulfides. The hematite footwall alteration at Fremen is similar to what we see in the hanging wall at BBM and Charger. So we really believe or know that we are in the same system. And then there are other anomalies along strike here, which we've got some early stage hits in, which haven't been fully tested yet. So here we are, we're zooming in on the Fremen target, and we have significant mineralization here on 2 drill sections, 150 meters apart. We are happy to call this discovery because we do have that consistent mineralization now, and we've got some nice grades at over 5 grams per ton in shorter intervals, and broader intervals at around 2 grams per ton. So these are the things that start to look interesting for us, especially when they're close to surface. And so the next round of drilling will be chasing down dip plunge along strike north and south from that main discovery, or from that discovery zone on the northern end of this anomaly. So here we are looking at a cross section through the northern line of the plan map which we're just looking at previously, And you can see that, look, the key takeaways from this are that the mineralization is shallow. It does come close to surface in our air core drilling. There is not that much of a cover sequence, maybe 2 to 5 meters. And the mineralization has a shallow dip of around 45 degrees, which makes it very amenable to open pit mining. And then, so as I mentioned previously, we'll come back in and do another drill program here to chase and expand that 150 meter footprint that we've got at the northern end from drilling. We still have roughly 55 holes to report further to the south as well. So we'll see what those ones bring back. But initially, as we come back in here, the drilling will be chasing up on the results that we've got at the northern end of the anomaly. So really exciting stuff for Awale as we move forward into Q2 and more drilling on the 100% permits in Q2. And just a quick summary slide on the 100%, right? So we've got 5 permits, of which 3 of them are granted. You can see those 3 here: Sama, Cienso, and Seydu. We've now completed geochemistry on the Seydu permit. We do have a little bit of infill to do there as well, but we've already got some drill targets to drill there this quarter. We've just commenced the broader scale or tenement scale termitaria mound sampling up at the Sama permit. We've got a team staying in a village up here, so they're close to site and can collect as many samples as they can per day. So we're still looking for those footprints for more new discoveries within our 100% permit. We have our way of doing these things. We've developed a lot of intellectual property over the last few years, and we're really excited about making more discoveries on our 100% ground. Okay, thank you very much for your time today, and I'm sure I'll be talking to you again soon.